Okay, so we're here at Ancient Ways Body Works in Las Cruces, New Mexico. And we have Josh, and he just finished his first Ashiatsu. So what'd you think, Josh?
I loved it. It was definitely a great experience. I didn't think I was going to memorize everything, but once I was up there, it just kind of flowed.
What did you like the best?
Well, obviously, the Barefoot Massage Master, obviously not using my hands, being able to use my feet, and applying the maximum amount of pressure with the least amount of effort.
What surprised you the most?
Actually, how easy it was once you're up there on the bars and you're just holding on and you just let go of your inhibitions and you just let it flow.
Do you see yourself using this in your practice?
Oh yes, I'm definitely going to try to switch over to mainly an Ashiatsu practice.
Well, thanks. You're a great student. There you go.